Hello, friends. I'm really happy to see you all in this video. It has been some time since I posted a video. I've been for some time thinking about starting a course, right? And this course is meant for students as well as employees who are interested in improving their language and who are finding it difficult to, communicate confidently and fluently in English. So, if you think that you are the one who's really struggling with speaking English fluently, be it any situation or in any context, if you feel that you're not good at something, especially with vocabulary or grammar, or when it comes to public speaking, speaking on the stage, or speaking on certain topics, or giving a presentation to an audience, if you at any point of time think that you're not that good in expressing yourself, then this course is meant for you. So the challenge is this: I'm going to make you speak in 30 hours. Okay, this is a 30-day and 30-hour session in which by the end of the course you will be able to speak. I have put in all my efforts to create a course out of my 11 years of experience and expertise in teaching English for second language learners. Okay, so I'm very confident about making you speak in English. Okay, so if you think that you have to go beyond your level right now, then you have to opt for this course, right? So I tell you what are the benefits of speaking fluently in English. See, whenever you want to communicate, people judge you by your language, right? So you need to speak well in order to either get selected in an interview or showcase your skill sets, or sometimes when you have to go for a public presentation, then if you want to impress the audience, then definitely you have to speak well. So I'll be able to guide you through all the steps in this 30 hours, and by the end of 30 hours you will be a different person. Okay, you can take this as a challenge, and I will make that happen if you trust me. But the only condition is that you have to cooperate with whatever I'm saying. You have to strictly follow all the rules that I'm going to give you. Now if you're ready to do all these things, then 30 hours is more than enough to to make you feel that you're far better than what you were before. Okay, so I'm ready for the challenge, and if you're ready, come and let's get into this. Thank you so much.